Welcome to another mini tutorial by Biggie Motek. Today we cover the last step in a Zatchbell Spellbook, adding the decorations to the cover. The first part about adding the decorations is making sure that each of the corners has a protective cover. And there's a lot of different patterns out there. I picked one that was fairly minimalist, and then I ultimately made it out of thermoplastic. I forget which brand. But then I sealed it and painted them in some of the same colors that you'll see later on in this tutorial. Before I got into any of the big decorations, I started with the text stenciling that needed to happen on the front cover. For that, I just used permanent and archive markers so that they wouldn't bleed or run as I was potentially handling the book after it was completed. You'll notice that I used a combination of stencils and a ruler to keep everything straight. Then for the larger decorations, I originally was thinking about using vinyl, but that wouldn't stick very well on the pleather, so we just moved to paint, acrylic paint with a combination of black, shifting gold and black paint, as well as gold edging to give it some pop and depth. And ultimately, that's all I needed to do in order to finish my Zatchbell Spellbook. Check out these other tutorials, and see you next time.